For those of you just joining the video series, you can find the links to all the previous shed build videos in the description below. This was my first time using this flexible flashing tape, and I ran into a few rookie mistakes for the first window, but in the end I eventually got it installed. I would still highly recommend this tape, but please don't use my technique as the best way to install it. However, things went a little smoother once I started on the second window. When I installed the windows, I had to recruit my amazing wife again as they were way too heavy to lift on my own. Once the windows were installed, it was really cool to see the concept I had envisioned becoming a reality, which was to give you the feeling that you were out in nature when entering the shed. Also, I wanted to point out that this exterior door my wife and I installed, we happened to find on Facebook Marketplace for $150, which was a steal for this type of door. So if you do plan on taking on a project like this, be sure to check your local marketplaces or Craigslist to see if you can find some of the construction materials at a reduced cost. After the door was installed, the shed really started to look like a usable space. So if you're still having doubt about starting a project you've been wanting to complete for some time, take it from me when I say you can accomplish way more than you think you can. Before starting this project, I had little to no experience with shed construction, and when I thought of everything it would take to build the type of shed I wanted, the task almost seemed near impossible. But after taking the large project and breaking it up into small pieces, the shed slowly started to take shape. I still have a long way to go before I meet my goal, but I hope that showing you my journey will continue to encourage you or someone else to try new things. If you enjoyed this video or think others might, be sure to tap that like button and hit that notification bell. Until next time, thanks for watching.